From the vast plains of the Serengeti to the depths of our world's oceans, the animal kingdom showcases the power of teamwork. Witness incredible examples of collaboration in the wild. Survival is a daily struggle, and animals adapt and work together to thrive. Join us in this fascinating world where collective success hinges on teamwork. Here on the savannah, the sun beats down on a pride of lionesses. They prepare for the hunt, moving in unison. The dry grass muffles their paws. One lioness takes the lead, guiding the others. The lead lioness charges, driving prey towards her companions. In a flurry of dust, the hunt reaches its climax. We journey now to the icy waters of the Arctic, where another apex predator reigns supreme. These are orcas, often called killer whales, though they are dolphins, not whales. Working as a team, they create waves to wash seals off ice floes, a technique honed over generations. The orcas communicate through a series of whistles and clicks, their language complex and nuanced. In a world where survival is a constant battle, these remarkable creatures demonstrate the power of collective intelligence. Deep in the rainforest, a formidable force is on the move. Millions of army ants advance in a relentless tide, their collective might capable of overwhelming creatures many times their size. Each ant plays a specific role, from scouts seeking out prey to soldiers defending the colony. They communicate through pheromones, chemical signals that create a living map for the colony to follow. Insects, spiders, even small reptiles fall prey to the relentless ants. This is nature's grand recycling program, efficient and brutal in its execution. The African wild dog, a creature often misunderstood, relies on teamwork for its very survival. These are highly social animals, their packs bound by loyalty and cooperation. When the hunt begins, it is a symphony of movement and sound. The dogs fan out, their lean bodies navigating the tall grass with ease. Exhaustion is their weapon, wearing down the prey until it is vulnerable to their relentless pursuit. There is no room for individual glory here, only the shared success of the pack, a testament to the bonds that unite them. Beneath the waves, another social creature thrives on teamwork. Dolphins, known for their intelligence and playful nature, are also fierce protectors of their own. When danger threatens, the dolphins form a protective circle around their young and vulnerable. They use their agility and speed to confuse and disorient their attackers, their whistles and clicks echoing through the water. Their courage and loyalty to their pod are evident in every movement, a testament to the power of collective defense. The African savanna echoes with the whooping calls of hyenas, misunderstood creatures, highly intelligent and social animals. Living in complex clans led by a dominant female, they thrive in a landscape dominated by lions. When lions make a kill, hyenas watch and wait, sensing opportunity. Using intimidation and cunning, they harass the lions, their calls growing louder. Lions, often outnumbered and weary, may relinquish their prize, a testament to hyenas' audacity. Within the heart of the forest, a hive of honeybees hums with activity. Thousands of individuals work tirelessly, their roles intricately intertwined, each one vital to the survival of the colony. But this hive, this marvel of nature's architecture, is under threat. A scout bee, returning from its rounds, brings a chilling message: hornets are approaching. Hundreds of bees surround the invading hornets, their tiny bodies vibrating with intense energy. The temperature within this living ball rises rapidly, becoming an oven that overwhelms the hornet's ability to cope. Across the savannah, a herd of elephants lumbers towards a watering hole. Leading them is the matriarch, the oldest and most experienced female, her wisdom guiding the herd. When danger approaches, the elephants form a protective circle, their massive bodies forming a living wall. The calves safely nestled in the center. The matriarch stands at the forefront, her tusks lowered, her trunk raised in warning. This is a scene repeated across the savannah for millennia, a testament to the enduring power of maternal love and the strength of family bonds. In the humid depths of the rainforest, a colony of fire ants faces a seemingly insurmountable obstacle. A raging stream, swollen by recent rains, blocks their path. With astonishing speed and precision, they begin to form a living bridge, their own bodies the building blocks. One by one they link together, their mandibles clamping onto each other, creating a chain that spans the water. The ants adjust their positions, reinforcing weak points, ensuring the bridge can withstand the current and the weight of their comrades. On the windswept shores of Antarctica, a colony of penguins huddles together, seeking refuge from the biting cold. When a seal approaches, its sleek body a blur against the ice, the penguins employ a clever defense. Those at the edge of the colony surge forward, a chaotic wave of beaks and flippers momentarily confusing the predator. This momentary distraction allows others to scramble to safety, protecting their precious eggs and chicks. In this harsh environment, unity is their greatest strength. On the vast plains of Africa, a herd of Cape buffalo grazes peacefully, their massive horns a testament to their power. A pride of lions eyes the herd, seeking a vulnerable target. The lions single out a young buffalo separated from the herd. The buffalo lets out a bellow of distress. The herd wheels around, hooves pounding the earth in unison. The rescued buffalo rejoins the herd, a testament to the power of unity. Deep beneath the surface lies a marvel of nature's architecture, a termite mound. These structures, built from saliva, soil and dung, showcase termites' industry and teamwork. Millions collaborate to create cities with ventilation shafts, nurseries and royal chambers. Predatory ants pose a constant threat. Soldier termites guard the entrances, ready to repel invaders. This battle in near darkness shows termites' commitment to protecting their home. Across rolling hills and windswept meadows, sheep graze peacefully, their woolly coats blending into the landscape. Watch as a flock moves as a single entity, a flowing tide of fleece. This synchronized movement is a survival strategy honed over millennia. By moving together, the sheep create confusion for predators, making it difficult to single out a target. The flock becomes a sea of moving wool, each sheep finding safety in the crowd. It's a powerful reminder that in the animal kingdom there is strength in numbers. In the heart of a shallow saline lake, a flamboyance of flamingos creates a spectacle of color and movement. These elegant birds, known for their vibrant pink plumage and synchronized displays, are also fiercely protective parents. When danger approaches, the entire colony springs into action, their long legs carrying them across the water in a flurry of pink. They move in unison, their movements creating a mesmerizing, undulating wave that confuses and intimidates their attackers. This collective display ensures the safety of the next generation. In the depths of the ocean, a drama unfolds, a testament to the power of collective action, even against seemingly insurmountable odds. A great white shark, the ocean's apex predator, patrols its domain, its cold black eyes scanning for prey. Suddenly the shark strikes, its massive jaws agape, its teeth like daggers. In a remarkable display of courage and cooperation, the sea lions turn to face their attacker. The shark, confused and outnumbered, eventually abandons its attack. A testament to the sea lion's bravery and their understanding that even the mightiest predator can be driven back by a united front. Beneath the scorching Australian sun, two male kangaroos stand face to face, their powerful muscles tensed, their eyes locked in a primal challenge. This is no casual encounter, but a test of strength and dominance, a ritual as old as time. They size each other up, their massive hind legs capable of delivering bone-crushing kicks. The air crackles with tension as they grapple, their powerful arms locking, their bodies slamming together. The victor will claim dominance, his genes passed on to the next generation. As we've journeyed across the globe, from the savannas of Africa to the frozen wastelands of Antarctica, we've witnessed the power of teamwork in the animal kingdom. These examples remind us that unity and cooperation are essential for survival. Whether it's lions coordinating a hunt, dolphins protecting their young, or termites defending their colony, these creatures show what can be achieved when individuals work together. They remind us that strength lies in unity and that cooperation can overcome adversity.